All right. I will be calling Senator Kirsten Gillibrand, the Democratic New York Senator, and advocating for peace and no more nuclear weapons. Taking a step towards global peace here. I wish all of you to join me in doing this, calling your representatives.
Good afternoon, Senator Gillibrand's office. How can I help you?
Hi, my name is Colin Teal, and I'm calling in regards to let my senator know that I advocate for her to represent, or for her to vote for dismantling all nuclear weapons, and for her to illustrate the dismantling of that, and for the sake of global peace.
I can definitely pass that message along. Could you also give me your zip code in addition to your name?
Yes, my name is Colin Teal, and my zip code is 14221.
Okay, thank you so much. Your comment is recorded, and I'll make sure that gets passed along to her.
Thank you very much.
You have a nice day now.
Have a good day.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Nice. All right, that was Kirsten Gillibrand. We're advocating for the dismantling of nuclear weapons and for global peace. I know that may seem like a long stretch, but you'd be surprised how much one person can make a difference. As for me, there's a lot you can do, from donating old clothes to donating blood to save a life. And now we're going to try for Senator Chuck Schumer. I tried again earlier. Hopefully this time it works. If not, we're going to keep trying until we get him, okay? Here we go.
Senator Schumer's office, how can I help you?
Hello, my name is Colin Teal. I'm a New York resident, and I have called Senator Chuck Schumer to advocate for dismantling of nuclear weapons and for him in the Senate, and to advocate for measures to ensure global peace.
Okay, well, thank you so much for calling, and I'll definitely be sure to express your concern to the senator.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Bye now.
So there you have it. Simply calling your senator or your representative or your president and advocating for peace can make a difference. I hope that all of you beautiful people, my brothers and sisters, will join me, and we'll do this too, so that all of us together, united, can make this world more peaceful, more united. United in brotherhood and love and unity, to shine light to this world. So thank you for watching, my brothers and sisters, and have a blessed day.